Hello, welcome to Car Performance. Today I have an exciting new product to you by Nokins. This is the armrest and cup holder combo for the round tube style rear seats. That's right, if you have an Icon or a cart that has a round tube style rear seat, these are the armrests for you. Now we're gonna go ahead and open up this box and install it on the cart and get a good look at what this product is. Okay, so we laid all the hardware out on the table right here, and these are gonna be our clamps that mount to the bar, and these are gonna be our clamps that mount to the armrest. We do have two different styles of hardware here. We have a tapered screw, and we also have an Allen head screw. So to mount this, we're gonna go ahead and take these with our tapered screw. We're gonna go right here on the armrest like so. Okay, so right now I'm going to put all my lock washers and washers onto the Allen head screw. Okay, now we're ready to install onto the car. So we have already pre-mounted this onto the back of our armrest, and now we are ready to install onto our car. So it sits like that, and you're going to take this piece, it comes right underneath. We now take our Allen head bolts and we attach them to the armrest. Also in the kit, we'll include this Allen wrench to tighten it down. Okay, so we just got these installed on the Icon here, and they seem to be like a nice snug fit. I like that their armrests are actually plastic on the bottom. The foam seems really nice. It's got a nice design in here, nice thick foam. Overall, seems like a really sturdy product.
Don't tell me! I think we're at, oh, there go the sunglasses! The people's sunglasses! The people's elbow! Oh! An exclamation point! The people's elbow! Here it comes, the people's elbow into the sternum. Oh! He's fixing to show you he don't! Bruh.
This was very easy to install. It took me about a matter of 10 minutes. All the tools are included. They gave me this Allen wrench along with a screwdriver. Very nice kit by Nokins. If you're interested in this product, we do sell this. There's a link below. Oh, yeah. And don't forget to subscribe.
Come with me if you want to live.
Get in.